Hello everyone, I'm Shashank Tripathi, and I'll be introducing PoseNet3D, an unsupervised method to estimate temporally consistent 3D human pose and shape from 2D videos. As is well known, 3D motion capture is expensive, time-consuming, difficult to annotate, and is therefore not scalable. In comparison, 2D image and video data of humans is easy to get. Recent advances in 2D pose estimation make extracting 2D pose relatively easy and cheap. In this work, we solve the problem of lifting 3D human pose and shape from 2D videos. We further leverage unsupervised learning tools such as adversarial training to learn 2D to 3D pose estimation without using any 3D data whatsoever, be it paired and unpaired 3D data, motion capture sequences, depth images, or multi-view images during training. Our approach is able to recover 3D human pose and simple parameters from 2D joints without using any 3D data. We take 2D pose as inputs to PoseNet3D, which consists of a teacher branch and a student branch. The teacher branch is responsible for 2D to 3D lifting, that is, estimating 3D pose in skeleton format. The student branch is responsible for estimating simple pose and shape parameters. Here is a brief overview of our approach. A sequence of T2D poses goes as input to a temporal backbone, followed by a teacher branch which outputs 3D poses. There is also a parallel student branch which takes temporal features from the temporal backbone and outputs simple pose and shape parameters. A key insight is that since the 3D poses from both the teacher branch and the student branch correspond to the same sequence of 2D pose inputs, they should be consistent with each other. This is enforced by the knowledge distillation laws, and we show in the paper that using only reprojection laws without knowledge distillation laws fails to reliably reconstruct human bodies in an unsupervised setting. We propose other novel temporal, self-consistency, and adversarial losses, which we describe in detail in our paper and also in our 10-minute presentation. Next, we present some results from PoseNet3D. Our unsupervised approach outperforms state-of-the-art unsupervised and weakly supervised approaches on human 3.6 million, MPI INF 3D-HP, and 3D-PW dataset. By using 5% 3D supervision, we outperform previous semi-supervised approaches too. These are some video results obtained using PoseNet3D on in-the-wild datasets like LSP, InstaVariety, and 3D-PW. As can be seen, our approach generates stable reconstructions even under challenging scenarios. Thanks for listening, and please refer to our paper for additional details.